Welcome to our special video tribute. In the heart of the Philippines, where education lights the path to a brighter future, we honor those who have conquered the licensure examination for teachers. Join us as we celebrate their triumph and inspire the next generation of educators. Let's begin.
Hello everyone. Congratulations to all who passed the licensure examination for teachers. Your dedication inspires us to pursue excellence in education and shape the future of the Philippines. You've all done well, and we hope the title LPT gives you the warmth and calm you all need. You all deserve a gentle finish this year.
Pamadayaw ka nagtilan passers. Di pa nakapasaryo iti licensure examination for teachers, kat simbolo iti determinasyon, kan ayat iti edukasyon. Mga asa tayo, mamang palawlawag, ti biyag dagiti umpi, babaan ti panagsanay kan ayat, agbyag tayo iti inspirasyon.
Binabati ko ang mga LETpasers. Ang pagpasa ninyo sa licensure examination for teachers ay simbolo ng katapangan at pagmamahal sa edukasyon. Tayo magtulungan upang baguhin ang buhay ng mga estudyante sa pamamagitan ng pagtuturo at pagiging magandang halimbawa. Magbigay tayo ng inspirasyon sa susunod pang henerasyon.
Thank you for joining us in celebrating our LETpasers. Remember, teachers are the heart of our nations. Keep inspiring others. We are
Absalon Norjan F.
Calvin Christian Derek P.
Remiendo Alexandra D.
Congratulations!
Kablaaw!
Binabati namin kayong lahat.